Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a distribution list on AOL Mail. Using a distribution list will save you time and effort when sending emails to a group of people frequently. In order to create a distribution list to save time and make your tasks easier, simply open up a web browser first. Go to the URL box at the top and type in mail.aol.com and search. If necessary, make sure to log into your AOL Mail account as well. Once you are logged into the main homepage, access your contact by clicking on the Contacts tab on the left-hand side menu. You will then end up inside your Contacts tab. Click on the List option at the top of the screen, and soon after you click on List, click on Create List option. Now, name your group, enter the name for your list, and enter the contacts you would like to include in the group. Start typing in the names or email addresses of the people you want to add to the group. After you do that, you will be able to list the contacts you just added. Keep adding more people according to your preference, and you will then be able to create a distribution list on AOL Mail. So that way, you should be able to create a distribution list and connect with multiple people at once on AOL Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.